already home, wherever you roam. Time's moving on, together in motion. It takes you along, forever's a moment. It's calling, calling the change in the season. We're falling leaves from a tree limb. Another seed will grow. So hold on, hold on to the feeling. Your four walls and a ceiling are anywhere you go. You're already home. You're ready to go. Better get going. Already home, wherever you roam. It's calling, calling the change in the season. We're falling leaves from a tree limb. Another seed will grow. So hold on to your dreaming. Your four walls and a ceiling are anywhere you go. You're already home.
Catch me up, catch me on the up. Catch me up, catch me up, catch me on the up. Ready, set, on your mark, okay, here we come. It's a switch every time when we throw it up. Go and put your shades on, now you wanna buzz. Party up on the sun, now we having fun. Yeah, yeah, so catch me up, yeah, yeah, you know what's up, front up, back to the front, yeah, you know what we want, yeah, you know what we want. Cause we up now, and we don't wanna come down. Now we up, 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 yeah. Catch me in the breeze, catch me up to speed, catch me up, catch me up, catch me on the catch me on the cam, catch me if you can, catch me up, catch me up, catch me up, catch me on the we on the up and up right now, and we so out of touch right now. I told him turn it up right now. Now I'm like that's what's up right now, yeah. Hey, it's going up like a trampoline. Cooling off in the shade, it's a canopy. Riding next to the wave like a manatee. Check out the scenery, now roll with me.
baseball in the summer haze. And everywhere I go, I'm home. Sitting on the train in Illinois, writing songs about the girls and boys. And everywhere I go, I'm home. Sunday, sunshine in your eyes. Picture perfect, bright blue skies. Welcome home, home, home. Welcome home, home, home. I know we all get older, time is moving fast. But take life slowly, make sure all these moments last. Welcome home, home, home. Welcome home, home, home. Take the train down to Santa Fe. Life is simple on a sunny day. And everywhere I go, I'm home. Riding bicycles after school, kissing girls in the swimming pool. And everywhere I go, I'm home. Sunday, sunshine in your eyes. Picture perfect, bright blue skies. Welcome home, home, home. Welcome home, home, home. I know we all get older, time is moving fast. But take life slowly, make sure all these moments last. Welcome home, home, home. Welcome home, home, home. Welcome home, home, home. Welcome home, home, home. Welcome home.
Isn't it strange how the world shifts? We shift how we look at it. A rainy day can be gloom or poetry. Silence can be loneliness or peace. The same street you've walked 1,000 times becomes a gallery of unnoticed beauty when you simply decide to see. The chipped paint on old buildings, the way light dances on puddles, the tired smile of the barista who still says, "Have a good day." Life hasn't changed, but you have. Maybe the world was never dull, maybe it was always full of wonder. We were just too busy surviving to notice. But when you pause, breathe, and soften your gaze, even the mundane becomes miraculous. Isn't it strange how much beauty hides in plain sight, just waiting for us to look differently?
Caught fire. Sky was yelling like a telephone wire. Tree line swaying, bending low, calling my name like a howling ghost. Storm's gonna rage, but the morning will call. Information overdose. Cotton candy comatose. Fake happy until you have it. Distracted, caught in the habit. Blink before we're out of time. High five, give me something alive. High five, press our lips to the sky. I'm done waiting, all out of patience. Oh, high five or die for the rest of our lives. High five, give me high five. High five, give me high five. Easy comfort, easy go. Medicated vertigo. Fake happy until you have it. Distracted, caught in the habit. One more hit before